Jotelo mawuok e dhood Gusii kotene kod jatend migao mar somo Julius Migoso Gamba olose wi koko manyogo e paw tuke mag Gusii Stadium kama Raila Odinga nyo nitiere. Jotelo go ko oganda mondo omi ochiw luor mowinjore ne jatelono. Bende gimedo jiwo kwe e tong' mar Kenya gi Transmara kama tulo osebedo kadhi nyime.
What happened in Kisii yesterday had nothing to do with me. I respect Mzee Raila. I disagree with him variously and severally on various issues. But my style of politics doesn't make me look for resources and time and money to plan how to heckle anybody.
The members of this team also felt that we need to find a bearing within the broad-based government, because now, of course, it's now common knowledge that the broad-based government has been brought forth together by two party leaders, the ODM and the UDA, and now we need to fit within that structure for the betterment of our people.
Recognizing the need for wider engagements, the meeting resolved to organize the broader leaders' retreat in April 2025 to delve deeper into these issues, strategize and forge a partnership that will truly unlock the full potential of our region.